You'll have to bear with me here. I'm going to do a little test. Show these things work, but I got it all hooked up haywire here, so got to switch wires partway through. These ones are running off 12 volt right now, so 11.1 will be the target voltage, I would imagine, for most people. I changed the actuators to suit that. You say you gotta give me a minute here, everything's haywire. My old drill pistol grip that I use for a controller here is worn out. I switched actuators, switched ratios. Like I say, everything's 12 volt now. So I also switched the ratio on the slide, but with 12 volt it seems to have plenty enough power for anything realistic you would put on it, which is good. And the speed, as you can see, is way better than the first 6 I made, including my own. Anyway, pretty simple hookup. You'll have to extend the wires on the slide actuator, and then these ones here, probably solder them together into a single speed control, I would imagine. Be the best way to go. And yeah, otherwise pretty much a direct bolt on. Just stock grand hauler with day cab, so it'd be good. If I can get my controller to work, it'd be great. Wire's broken off inside it. Anyway, that's that. Ho ho ho. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna get these packed up now and get them ready to go. I got a couple flatbeds over there in the corner that are gonna go on top of these as well to a couple guys. So yeah, awesome.